Belle. Hi, Belle.
Hi, teacher.
Good afternoon, Belle. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes. Yes, wait for
Okay.
me.
Mm.
Okay.
Is it hot? Is it hot?
Yes.
Okay, I see. So make yourself comfortable there, Belle. Can you tell me what did you do in the morning? What did you do
I
in the morning?
I I play I play with my I
You,
play with typing.
oh, you played with Taipei. That's fun, Belle. That's good to hear. Did you eat your dinner already?
No.
Are you hungry now?
No.
Okay, not yet. That's good. So maybe after our class, you can eat your dinner. So now, Belle, for today, we'll have the workbook. Okay, so now in here, all you have to do is to find and encircle the words that correspond to given picture. Like, for example, this one is t-shirt. What about this? What is it?
It's
What do you think? Okay, yes, there you have it. We have sneakers. What about this one?
short.
Okay, yes, we have skirts. It's in here. And the last one, it's a cap. Okay, yes, very good. Now let us proceed to this one directly, Belle. So in here you have to tell me what they are wearing. Like for example, it's just him. So what are you wearing? I'm wearing a t-shirt. What are you wearing? We're wearing t-shirts. Okay, now can you tell me what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a cap. Where
Okay,
wearing where we wearing caps.
okay, very good. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a short.
Not I'm wearing a short, but you have to say I'm wearing shorts. Okay. It's really like that, Belle. Short. We don't say short. Okay, it's I'm wearing shorts. Okay, I'm wearing shorts. What are you wearing?
We're wearing shorts.
Okay, yes, very good. We're wearing shorts. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing
I'm wearing. What's
I
that? It's I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes. What are you wearing?
we're wearing
We're
shoes.
okay, yes, we're wearing shoes. Thank you, Belle. So now let us have this. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a blue cap and a purple shirt. Now, what about for this picture right here, Belle? Can you tell me what are you wearing?
We're wearing yellow yellow
Yellow.
t-shirt,
Wheelbarrow. T-shirt. T-shirt. And green.
socks.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, what about for item 3? Item 3.
I'm
What will
wearing.
be the question? What are you?
What are you wearing?
Mm-hmm.
I'm wearing brown shorts and red shoes.
Okay, now the last one.
What wear? What
What are you?
wearing?
Okay, what are you wearing?
We're wearing orange cap and black shoes.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Belle. That is correct. So now let us proceed with the workbook. Okay, so we're already in a unit 4, lesson 2. Okay, for a moment, Belle. Let me prepare it first. Okay, now can you match it? Okay, can you match it? Okay, yeah, very good. That was quick, Belle. Now let us have this one. Listen and fill in the gap.
I'm wearing a cap.
What did you hear?
I'm wearing a cap.
Very good, Belle.
I'm wearing shorts.
I'm wearing shorts.
Okay, great job. That's correct.
We're wearing sneakers.
We're wearing sneakers.
Well done, Belle.
We're wearing t-shirts.
We're wearing t-shirt.
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, now what are you wearing? What are you wearing? Okay, I'm wearing a yellow shirt and white shorts. What are you wearing?
Um,
Okay, yes, very good. Well, that is correct. Now, what are you wearing? Okay, yes, very good. I'm wearing a white shirt and white sneakers. What are you wearing?
we're wearing t-shirt.
Okay, t-shirt. We're wearing t-shirts. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing green shorts.
That I'm wearing, but we're wearing. Okay, 1, 2. We're wearing shorts. We're wearing shorts. Okay, now what are you wearing? What are
I'm
you wearing?
dress.
Okay, yes, I'm wearing a dress. Okay, now what are you wearing?
We're wearing
Mhm.
cap.
Okay, cap. We're wearing cap. Now, what are you wearing?
We're wearing shoes.
Okay, yes, we're wearing shoes or sneakers. Okay, so that is it, Belle. Now we can move on to the next one directly. Okay, so let us have this one now. Okay, so where's mom? Let us watch this one together, Belle.
Mom? Mom? What's wrong? I can't find my mother.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing a pink t-shirt and black pants.
What's her phone number?
It's 555-0182.
Julie!
Mom!
Okay, there you have it, Belle. And the value of that story is to be safe. We can see that Julie lost a mom. So that's why in public spaces, Belle, in places where there are lots of people, you should always hold your parents and you should stay near them. Okay? So now let us have this listen and number.
Page 37. B. Listen and number. 1,
I can't find my mother.
2,
Okay. I can't find my mother. I can't find my mother. Is this one? Are you sure with that? Are you sure?
No.
No, you're not.
No.
Okay, so which picture is one? One. Is that it? It? The, oh, see, we can see here that she saw mom. So that's not it, Belle. That's not it. I can't find my mother. Let's
B.
listen.
Listen and number. 1,
I can't find my mother.
I can't find my mother. Okay. Is that it? Okay, I'll let you answer wherever you want and we'll check it later.
2. What's she wearing?
She's wearing a pink t-shirt and black pants.
She's wearing. That it, Belle? Okay.
3. What's her phone number?
It's 555-0182.
See? It's incorrect. It is incorrect, right? Because one is. Okay, let us hear it again, Belle. Let us
Page
hear it
37.
again.
B. Listen and number. 1,
I can't find my mother.
Okay, I can't find my mother. It is Julie telling it to this girl. This is one. I can't find my mother.
2. What's she wearing?
What
She's wearing
she
a
wearing?
pink t-shirt and black pants.
Okay, and yes, that's right. Julie is describing mom. Okay, now three.
3. What's her phone number?
It's 555-0182.
Okay, yes, that is correct. But as you can see, the police officer has his phone with him and is about to call mom. And the last one is
4.
Julie!
Mom!
okay. So that is it, Belle. What about you? Do you know your parents' phone number?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. That is good, Belle. So, in case of emergency, you can just call them directly. Now, let us have a singing activity with a title, What's Your Phone Number?
Page 37. C. Sing. What's your phone number? What's
What's
your
your
phone
phone
number?
number?
Ring-a-ling-a-ling,
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 ring-a-ling,
555
555
4321.
432
Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
What's
What's
your
your
phone number?
number?
Ring-a-ling-a-ling,
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 555
555
4321.
431.
Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. And Belle is growing an ice cream. Belle is hungry. Wait, why is your ice cream blue? What flavor is that? What flavor is that?
It's ice cream.
Why is it blue? What flavor of ice cream is that? What flavor is that, Belle?
Um, it's
It?
it's here.
Okay. Oh, what is that? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what fruit that is, Belle. Okay. So, anyways, we'll continue
Here.
with one. It? What is that? I'm not familiar with it, Belle. I don't know it. Even with the pictures, I'm not familiar with it. Can you write the Vietnamese name? Can you write the Vietnamese name?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Here in the
Okay.
chat. Here, Belle. Why did you delete it, Belle? Okay, wait. Don't erase it. Let me translate it. Oh, blueberries. Okay, blueberries. That's why it's blue. Okay, Belle. Is that delicious, Belle?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Do you have ice cream at home now? Do you have ice cream in your house? Do you have ice cream in your house?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So I bet you are hungry now. Okay, let us have this one first. So can you tell me what happened first? What happened next? What happened last? Okay, Mom? What happened next? Okay, yes, very good, Belle. All correct answers. So now we'll proceed to the next one. Okay, so in here you have to match it. What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, yes, I can find my mother. What about for the second one? What's he wearing? Okay, very good. Oh, yes, that is right. And the last one. Okay, very good, Belle. All correct answers, Belle. Now let us have this one. Still clothes, Belle, but this one we have hat, coat, sweater, and boot. Okay, let us watch the video first so you can answer the short quiz. Okay, here is the short quiz. Let us watch this one.
Look at Robert. What is he doing? He's playing soccer. What is he wearing? He's wearing shorts and a t-shirt. Is it hot? Yes, it is. Look, it's Ben. He's playing in the snow. Is he wearing shorts and a t-shirt? No, it's cold. He's wearing a hat, a coat, a sweater, gloves, and boots. What is this girl doing? She's running. Is she wearing a coat and a hat? No, it's warm. Is she wearing shorts and a t-shirt? No, it's raining. She's wearing pants and a sweatshirt. What are you wearing? Is it cold? Are you wearing a coat and a hat? Is it warm? Are you wearing shorts and a t-shirt?
Okay, so let us check your answers from 1 to 4 first. And you got it correctly, Belle. Very good. But what about for 5? Oh, wait. What about 5? Belle, what is the answer here? The girl is wearing blank and sweatshirt. Is it a t-shirt, pants, or shorts? Okay, yes, that is correct. It's pants. Thank you so much, Belle. Now let us proceed in here. Okay, so this is hat, okay, a coat, sweater, and boots. Do you have boots, Belle?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay, what about sweater? Do you have one too?
Yes.
Oh, yes. What about coat? Do you have a coat?
No, I don't.
Oh, no, you don't. What about a hat?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay, nice. Now in here you have to answer me if is he or she wearing a hat? Yes, he or she is. No, he or she isn't. Now let us start with the first one. Can you tell me, is he wearing a hat?
Yes, he is.
Very good. Is he wearing a sweater?
No,
Is
he
he?
isn't.
Okay, very good. Is he wearing boots?
Yes, he is.
Is he wearing boots?
No, he isn't.
Okay, no, he isn't. Is he hat?
No, she isn't.
Is he wearing a sweater?
Yes, she is.
Is he wearing boots?
Yes, she is.
Okay, yes, he is. Very good, Belle. Okay, so now let us have this one. Okay, just him, Belle. So can you tell me, is he wearing a hat? Is he wearing a hat, Belle? No. Is he wearing a coat? Okay, very good. Is he wearing, oh, what about boots? He is wearing boots, Belle.
No.
No, it's not boots. It is boots. Okay. Oh, that's sneakers for you. Okay. T-shirt. What about dress? Okay, yes, not a dress. Okay, this one actually is a boot, Belle. It's that. It is low cut, not high cut. I mean, this is high cut actually because low cut is only in here. Okay, that is boot still. Okay, so this one is the sneakers. Okay, now, okay, so, mm-hmm.
No. No. Yeah.
Okay, we'll just finish that one next meeting, okay? Because it's time already and you have to eat your dinner because you are hungry now. Goodbye, Belle. Good night, Belle.